Anna Griffin's All About Him card kit has 198 pieces for quick and easy card making for all the men in your life. I mean, it's just filled with all of these items. I have more in the box here. I actually want to show you that box real quick. It's kind of nice that it comes with this great storage box. It's really heavy duty. It all comes within here. And when you're all done, Anna says you can put your created cards back in the box to store them. Well, I think that's a great idea. And I'm going to show you everything else that's in the box. But I'm going to start with the die cuts that you see here and this nice inspiration sheet. I've got them sort of all spread out. So the inspiration sheet is great, shows you how you can layer all of the die cuts, put them together. You can do however you like to put them together, but this is just ideas. And she shows you ideas of how to select, where to place things, instructions for rosettes, which I'll show you the pieces that are for those, how to remove the backing on the stickers, and how to use the foam stickers that come with it. So for those rosettes, I'm going to show you, those are right here. You get 50 die cuts altogether. 16 of these are foiled and the rest of them are not, and you're also getting 10 pleated rosette strips. So each one of these are pleated. They have these different designs and you can use them, mix and match them with the card designs, but they're scored. So you can see those little score marks, and the instruction sheet shows you how to go back and forth and pleat these into a nice rosette. Let me see if I can find one on the instruction sheet. Right here. Here's one. There's a rosette. And there's one with a die cut sitting on top of it. So that's how you can use those rosette strips. You get 10 of those. With the 50 die cuts, we are I'm going to show you just the ones here. First, the foiled ones. You get stars. You get these neat little clips with silver. So silver and gold foiling. Some of them have nice open areas in the center. Lots of little embellishments. Love the little mustache treatment there. That's fun. Paper clips. But also you're getting some that are not foiled. So 16 foiled, 15 of these die cuts all together in these great shapes, ladders and cameras, and just fun vintage little cards that look like library cards and advertisements. So really fun. I love these little pieces. They add a lot of character to your cards, and they do it really quickly. I also think these would be amazing on a scrapbook page. Do a vintage scrapbook page and add some of these extra little ephemera elements. It's going to be really beautiful. So those are the 50 die cuts. We also have 30 die cut stickers here. And let's see, 20 of these are foiled. We've got foiled strips here, shapes. We've got shapes and borders. Each one of these little border strips are foiled, and these are stickers. So when you turn it over and you see that it is white, and let me find one that isn't. When you see that it's white, you'll know that it is a sticker you can peel off the back. When you see that manila or ivory look, that's not a sticker. So these are the stickers, and you just sort of work the corner of these and you'll be able to peel them off. I'm not traditionally great at that, but there we go. See, I was able to do it, so it's not that hard. Pull off and you'll be able to stick those in place on your card. And I love these nice swirled finishes, just really beautiful accents. Silver foiling and gold foiling, lots of different shapes. And then we have the printed versions. These are all stickers. You're just going to turn it over. It's white. You'll be able to peel that off and stick those in place. 30 of those die cut sticker shapes and borders. And then you've got 36 layered die cut stickers. So each one of these are stickers and each one of these are layers. So let's start with these sentiments. The 20 of these are foiled sentiments. So they are foam taped, so they have a little bit of lift there, so nice 3D. They are foiled and they are for so many different occasions. On your retirement, world's greatest husband, for you, Dad, happy Father's Day, wishing you well, thank you. So there's going to be birthday, there's something for brothers, Graduation, thinking of you. That's great. That's great. And remember, on your graduation, so that's in there. Good luck, happy birthday, for my grandfather. So lots of different sentiments, easy to peel off the back. Again, that's white on the back, so that's a sticker that you peel off and stick. And then you've got 16 that are shapes without gold foiling, but such amazing shapes. Again, these are the layered stickers, 3D layered foam tape to give it some lift, and you're going to be able to peel the back off and stick these in place. Bicycles and motorcycles. I think there are 2 of each of these designs. That's what it looks like, but you're getting 16 of these shapes all together. Baseballs, vintage cars, bottles of champagne. You've got fish in here, and they're all those 3D layered shapes. I love that. Nice big house. It's going to be so fun to layer these with some of those die cuts. You're going to be able to make so many cards with these. Just, it's amazing how much you're going to be able to do with all this, because there's a lot there to work with. So those are all of the die cuts and layered shapes. Let's get back into the box, see what else you're getting to coordinate with these die cut elements. You're getting 1 sheet of foam squares, so that's going to be great. All of those foam squares, so you can do some more layering of your own with the die cuts. You're getting 20 card inserts. So these are kind of neat because when you open them, they are actually considered multi-directional sentiments. So if I turn it this way, if we get in close on that circle, if I can do it this way with the fold at the top, happy birthday to you, or I can put the fold on the left, happy birthday to you, and many more. So any way you look at it, it's a sentiment that they can just turn and read, so you can put this any way you like in your card. You get 20 of those card inserts, and they have lots of different sentiments. Happy birthday, and let's see, wishing you great success. Lots of different sentiments, and it's circular and square, and they're going to fit into your card very easily. And Anna shows you just how to attach those inside your card. 20 of those, so you'll be able to make 20 cards that way. 20 envelopes to go with these nice big cards, because you're getting 20 printed cards. So 2 of each of these designs. I love these. They are blank on the inside, ready for you to put in the inserts. You can add die cuts to the front, to the inside, whatever you like. Some of them are more ornate like that. And then you've got some that really give you a nice kind of a blackboard look, ready to start embellishing. Really vintage looks, and 20 cards all together. So within the box, you've got these 20 cards. You can use these die cuts. If you ever run out of cards, 20 cards, I'm sure that you're going to have extra die cuts so that you can start making more cards. But I do love all of the different designs, so you can mix and match and really make some interesting looks. But you also are going to get 20 printed layers. So right on top of those cards, like I can choose a card just like this, choose a layer, and I can put that right on the center if I like, start adding my die cuts. I love the layers, and they are great in all of these different designs. So again, mix and match, find the one that looks best for your card, and just start putting these together. I just think it's great to have all of this in one place, and Anna Griffin makes it so easy to create simple and beautiful, makes it simple rather, to make elegant cards and pages with all of these pieces. That's the All About Him card kit.